If you're looking to unwind after a long day, nothing can be more comforting than a soothing cup of tea. In this video, we'll be exploring the perfect blend of chamomile and mint that will not only calm your nerves, but also offer a myriad of health benefits. So grab your favorite mug and let's dive into the world of herbal infusions. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, it's the perfect time to start thinking about winding down for the day. The daily hustle and bustle has come to an end and it's time to prioritize your well-being. But how do you transition from a state of constant motion to one of tranquility? The answer lies in the ancient tradition of sipping on a cup of calming tea. Imagine the steam rising from a mug, carrying with it the sweet scent of chamomile and mint. As you bring the cup to your lips, you feel a sense of calm wash over you, melting away the tension and stress of the day. It's in these moments of quiet reflection that the true magic of tea unfolds. But the benefits of chamomile and mint tea don't end at relaxation. This powerful combination offers a host of health benefits that can revitalize your mind, body, and spirit. Let's explore some of these amazing advantages. 1. Aids digestion. One of the most notable benefits of chamomile and mint tea is their ability to aid digestion. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the digestive tract, while mint helps relieve indigestion and gas. 2. Supports sleep quality. If you often struggle with falling asleep, chamomile tea can be a soothing remedy. Its relaxing properties can help calm your mind and prepare your body for a restful night's sleep. 3. Reduces anxiety and stress. In today's fast-paced world, anxiety and stress can feel like constant companions. However, the calming effects of chamomile and mint tea can help alleviate these feelings, bringing a sense of balance and tranquility. 4. Boost immune system. Mint tea is known for its immune-boosting properties. It helps strengthen your body's defense system, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. 5. Improves mood. When you feel anxious or stressed, your mood can take a downturn. The uplifting aroma of mint tea can help improve your mood, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 6. Hydrates the body. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall well-being, and mint tea can help you achieve that. The refreshing taste of mint makes it an excellent choice for those who find water too bland. 7. Helps in weight management. If you're on a weight loss journey, mint tea can be a valuable addition to your routine. It can help curb your appetite and support your weight management goals. In conclusion, as the day draws to a close, there's nothing more inviting than a cup of chamomile and mint tea. This soothing blend not only eases your body and mind into relaxation, but also offers a range of health benefits from aiding digestion to boosting the immune system. So take a moment to appreciate the simple pleasures in life and let the healing power of herbs envelop you.